for stopping on our channel, which is dedicated to central heating. And as you can see, I've been doing this a long time. Whether you install or you have heating, hopefully my videos will make a difference, but please leave me a comment in the section below. Lights, action, camera, let's begin. To apps, I'm very pleased to say that the ones that we make have been extremely popular, and not only are they downloaded in the UK but across Europe, America, Canada, Australia and lots of other countries as well, which is absolutely amazing. Most of them abroad use the wiring apps because they're in colour. But going back to here, one of the most popular apps that engineers download is the gas rate one. So that means that we can work out whether any of these boilers are actually working 100% efficiently, and the gas rate compared to what the boiler is doing and what the manufacturer is saying is exactly the same. And you'll find the information from that in the manufacturer's instructions, technical information, and use our app to calculate the efficiency and it's working properly and safely, of course. If you're installing a new gas boiler or hob or oven or fire, any appliance, you have to calculate the gas pipe from there back to your meter. Now it can be done with a calculator and a piece of paper, but our app makes it much easier, simpler, and most importantly, accurate. The object of the exercise is to make sure that all of the pipes around the house are the right diameter to feed that appliance. When we're changing a boiler, we definitely have to do that because it's a compulsory requirement that we do a gas rate and a gas pipe size evaluation to make sure that everything works perfectly and safely. The problem arises on a gas hob or stove. It's the smallest burner, or really any burner that's on the lowest flame, because when the boiler starts working, it will then snuff that flame out. When the boiler finishes and drops out, that burner will just emit natural gas, unburnt gas, which is extremely dangerous, of course, because it could cause an explosion. So it's crucial for everybody's safety that the size of the pipe is perfect. And that's what the gas pipe sizing app does. So as you have a gas appliance replaced, or something may be not quite right, the boiler may stay on and on and on for long periods and never switch off. It could be that when the boiler was changed, the installer didn't do a gas rate and they didn't do all the other tests because either they don't get time or they just can't be bothered. But that results into high gas bills and danger. So if you are a registered gas installer, download the app and make sure that you use it, because you'll be surprised at how many houses have pipes too small and we need to update them. And especially if you move the boiler from the kitchen to the loft, you're going to revolve much larger pipes. Forget 22mm, you might have to take 28 or 34mm pipes all the way up to the loft, which is going to be a huge cost. So the app is there to help you make sure that you get the correct size. The app is designed to work with the following gases, which is natural gas, butane and propane. If your meter has a dial, that's known as imperial measurements. Not a problem, the app will still work, as well as obviously the digital side. And to either measure 1 minute or 2 minutes in time. Well, nowadays the UK is finally conformed to European standards and only use 1 minute as a timer. You can also do a let-by test and make sure that it's all stabilized and everything is working fine. It really is a very comprehensive app, and every gas safe installer should use that. Don't forget to subscribe. Please like and subscribe to our channel because it helps us a lot, and if you have any comments, please leave them down below where I've put the other links as well. So all the best.